folks, welcome back to another lesson. Keeping the intro short and sweet there. James Hill requested this one over at Patreon. Thanks very much indeed, James, for your support. And here is your just reward. So Pretty Penny is an acoustic tune with two parts. One played by Robert, one played by Dean. Those DeLeo brothers, talented bunch. Standard tuning. But it's in 6/8, so you'll hear if you hear the sort of bongo at the beginning with that 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 going on, then that'll give you a rough indication of what's going on there. Now I'm going to show you both parts one at a time as we go through. So the intro and the verse are the same thing. Robert is playing this. Okay, so start there, power chord, but add your little finger onto that 4th fret on the G string. Okay, and then you take it off. So you play down, down, up, and then a whack, then an F sharp, power chord, and then up to the G, the 3rd fret. Like that. So the rhythm pattern's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And that is the same for both Robert and Dean's parts. So you've got one whack there, and then down, down, up when you hit the G, and then another couple of whacks. Like that, okay, pretty straightforward. Dean, on the other hand, now you could copy what Robert's doing. If you're just playing this on one guitar, I would do that. I would combine the both parts with do that bit rather than just, which I think is what Dean's doing. Okay, and then you're going to go to this chord. You got 3 open strings: A, D, G, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. Lovely little sustained chord. So that is up, down, down, up. Same pattern as before though. Okay, so you got 1 whack in the first bar, 2 in the second. So that is the verse. It's the same pretty much throughout the whole song, okay? Then the second part we have is the chorus. Robert is just playing 1 chord. He is sticking on this bad boy like this. Doesn't really matter about the rhythm. You could go for just 8th notes. Just put an accent on like the first sort of beat, or you could just do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up if you wanted. You could do that. Now you can either play this with your thumb right at the back if you want to arch your fingers round. Get that open E ringing out. I tend to have my thumb just lightly covering that because I can still kind of arch my fingers round and just about get that open E. But, you know, if not, I'd rather be able to strum the whole thing and cover that note. Could do it that way, you know, mute it with your 2nd finger and get that open E ringing out. So a couple of options there. Dean, meanwhile, is playing that's what he's playing over the top of it. half step bend on the 4th fret, and they're all double stops. So you're going to be playing the open E with each of these. Okay, so half a step up and then down. 2-0. It's all on the B string, and then that rhythm for the 3rd bar. So you've got a hammer on, a slide, 2 to 4, and then the 4th fret again there, right? Like that. Now, the timing of that is 3 bars that you play 3 times. On the 4th time, you're going to play. And then you're into that pattern again, okay? Back into the verse, basically. So you just cut it short by 1 bar on the 4th time round. Verse 2 is the same. With both those guitar parts, that goes around 8 times. Back into the chorus again. Around that again. Then you're into this sort of pre-middle 8 part, which is basically the verse riff again, right? And you've got, so you go around that, and then for the middle 8, so we have Robert playing this. Again, thumb needs to tuck back, you know, kind of like that, on the sort of middle part of the back of the neck, just so you can get the open B and E strings ringing out whilst you play 2-2-4, right, on the A, D, and G. Because you want it all to ring out, really, nice and full. And he does he just plays on the beats, but the first one is quite. It's not a full chord, right? It's just the low 3, maybe 4 strings. The next 2 are full chords. He does that all the way through. Dean, on the other hand, has gone up here, and he's playing. I would fret this with my 2nd, 1st, and 3rd fingers. So you're going to play. Or I think on the album it sounds like I've tabbed it, which is so 1, 2, 3, up, down, up, 1, 2, 3, up, down, up. Live, I think he does down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So up to you which you do. I'm going to go with what I've tabbed. So you're going to play this. So that's that 2-bar phrase repeated. Then, so that one's quite tricky. I think that's what he's playing. It's only for like 4 times round, so 2 bars of 2. You could fret it like that, I guess, if you wanted to. So, you know, what's that? 11, 9, mute 9, like that. But I'm going to go for that. Then, this is a G sharp minor 9. And then, but with both open E's. So you have, and then your little finger goes up 1 fret. And you repeat that around. So it's just 1 bar on the 11, 1 bar on the 12. And you play that round another time again. 4 times round that phrase, I guess. Then you're back to the verse riff. but Dean chucks in a couple of fills, nothing too dramatic. It's just before you go back into the verse with the singing comes in, you have... You got that. Little pull off. I use my third finger there. To pull off 3-2-0. But you can also catch the low G as well. Okay, so that would be... Again. And then once the vocals are in, you'll also hear him go with like just eighth notes for the second half. So you have... You know, so you just get that. You know, and a bit of dynamics in there too. And then you go into the chorus again. The middle eight repeats exactly as we did it before. And then we go into that intro riff, back into the same riff we just did. I think it's 4 times. On the 4th time you get this, so Robert will be playing. He finishes on that chord. And Dean ends on... And he ends on a... Dean ends on a E major. So... That's it, you're done. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.